Hello friends, I am Kshit Soni. I am here with a new video. In the previous episodes of my videos, I have created the feature for the comment. In that, user can submit the comment on the post. The non-authenticated user, meaning guest user, cannot post the comment. So, in this video, I will create the feature for the post. If you are watching my previous episodes or videos, it is easy to start. So let's start. So first create the new test feature name user can create the post and quickly write down the story points. Our story points is so easy. First we create the guest, make it authenticated, then create the post and submit the post data to the post route, and when guest visit there should be the post on that page. So go to the post.test.php and create the post. So in the post.php I have created the post. I have filled the code here with the story points. If you run the test, you will get the error because we doesn't create any route for that. So create the route. So go to the web.php and add the route for the store the post. So then test again. It will show again the error because we doesn't created the function in the post controller. So add the function to the post controller. So we have simply take the data from the request and create the post and redirect to the that post page. Now we should making sure that guest cannot submit the post. So we add the auth middleware to the post controller. So I have added the middleware here. Now for checking, now run the test. It will working fine. So run the test. I have done some changes, so I have removed. So every test is working fine. Now create the form for the post. So let's create new file in the post folder and paste all the code from the index.php and do some related changes to make a form. Here create.blade.php. I have copied all the content of index.php and add the CSRF token. Then I have also added a field for the title and the body, the post body, and I also added the button here. After that, serve the system. So php artisan serve. Go to the create. Let's check the route for that. Oh, so add the route here. Page is not found because we doesn't created the Here I have added the middleware, so the create post view does not directly accessible to the guest user. So if I run this into the browser, it will redirect to me to the login page. So check this. So it is redirect to me the login page. Now it is working for the browser, but let's create the test for guest, that guest cannot access the create post page. So let's go to the post.php, try to run this, Ctrl C. So you can see the tests are working fine. Now moving forward, try to log in. Let's take one example. Secret. Solve this. Create post does not exist, the post control. So go to the post. So again I will change it. So run blog create. I have to double check create post, it's there. Try. Okay, so you can see the post create form is here. Now this is my first post via browser. This is the first body of post. Submit. Oh, so this is my first post via browser. The username is John. So the creator name, this is the post body. Now have anything want to say? Yeah, that's awesome post. So you can check John is commented since 1 second ago. Yes, that's awesome. Go to the blog. This is my first. So you can check that we have created blog with the TDD approach. In this we create the post have comments, and only authenticated user can add post and comment. So that's it in this video series. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and encourage me to move forward. Thank you.